Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 error code FH301. Your graphics card is older than the minimum supported version. So here's what you're going to do. Go to search, type in device manager. You want to click on display adapters, expand it, and you want to find here your graphics card's name. And you want to now go to the Google or whatever and type in your graphics card from there, and you want to type in driver, and then you want to click the first link. It will be from your GPU vendor, and now you want to type it here again, and it will offer you the game ready drivers in the studio. You want to download the game ready drivers, and you want to click download here. If you don't already have the NVIDIA app, you can download it. After you download it, you simply install it, or if you already have the NVIDIA app, you can click the menu, open the NVIDIA app, go to drivers, and click download the latest game ready drivers. Also, you want to disable G-Sync in here and go to settings and disable NVIDIA overlay. And after you update your drivers, the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 error code FH301. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.